Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Donkey token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and go to your search bar here in the top, and then you can search Donkey and you can click this one, and as you can see this is the charge. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here. But before that, you can see the information about the token. You can click info in the top. You can see the volume and market cap. Also, you can see the audit of the token. And yeah, if you want to buy it, you can just click right here. And then you can swap your USDT or other token to Donkey. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.